Okay guys, so to make a black light, take a smartphone, then take a piece of sellotape and put it on the flashlight. Then take a blue marker and color over the flashlight. Now take another piece of sellotape and put it on the previous one. And then again color it with a blue marker. Now take another piece of sellotape and put it on the previous one, and this time color it with a red marker. So guys, that's it. That's all it takes to make a black light. Now let's just test it. So guys, on a piece of paper I'll write maybe hello with this highlighter, and then I'll just I'll just draw a smiley face like this, and whoa, that was a bad smiley face. Now let's just test this. Whoa, do you see that guys? The highlighter is actually glowing so brightly under this black light. Now, what if we write something else under it? So like, I'll take my highlighter and whoa, do you see that tip is also glowing so much? So I'll write yup, it's glowing. So guys, I have some of the templates for this black light, so let's just check them out. So guys, in this picture there is a study table, and you can see all those stuff are glowing. Like you can see this goggles, these are glowing, then those stars up on them, and you can see these paint boxes, these are actually looking 3D. Yeah, they are. So in the second picture you can see some design. Whoa, this design is so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this as my thumbnail. That's right, I'm gonna keep this as my thumbnail. So in this third picture you can see it's a room and everything is glowing right there. You can see all the colors, and yeah, do you see that the red thing is glowing so much? So guys, that's how you make your own blacklight, and if you want those pictures to test yours, I'll put the links down in the description. And wait, I got a crazy idea. What if we take the ink of these highlighters and put it in the glass of water and then test it out with the blacklight? Wow, let's do this. So guys, the ink is totally mixed with water now. Let's just test it out in the black light. Whoa, this is looking so cool. This is glowing so much. I don't know whether you can see this in the camera or not, but to me this is looking like those jade green colors, like those of the gems, like those which are of the like those emerald colors. These are glowing so much. This is looking so cool.